I am so excited to share this supremely delicious recipe with you, Mughlai Mutton Curry. I don't know if the royals ate like this, but you'll surely feel like one when you eat it. This rich gravy is made of almonds, cashew nuts, coconut flakes and heavy cream. How can that go wrong, right? Okay, if you like mutton and you don't taste this recipe, you're missing out big time, my friends. Okay, enough said. Let's make this together. Let's take a look at the ingredients. The ingredients are also mentioned in the description section below. I'm using 1 kilogram of mutton with bone. Let's marinate this with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup of plain unsweetened yogurt, and salt to taste. I added around 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything thoroughly. Let this marinate at least for 30 minutes. While the mutton is marinating, let's take a look at the other ingredients. We need 1 cup of onions sliced thin, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 5 to 6 slit green chillies, half a cup of plain unsweetened yogurt, 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 tablespoon of dried grated coconut, 2 1-inch long cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 2 medium-sized bay leaves, 6 to 7 black peppercorns. In a medium-sized bowl, take 15 cashew nuts and around 15 almonds. Let the cashew nuts and almonds soak in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes, after which you can peel the almonds. This makes the nuts nice and soft, and also you can peel off the almonds easily. Okay, the marination should be done by now and it's time to boil the mutton. Add the mutton into a pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of water to it. The time to tenderize the mutton would depend on the type of pressure cooker you use. In my case, it takes around 20 to 25 minutes of cooking under pressure to get the mutton nice and tender. Press with your spatula and make sure that the mutton is tender, like that. Now set that aside. Next, let's prep our onions. Set a pan on medium-high heat and add around 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Add in the onions. Sprinkle some salt so the onions cook faster. Stir fry the onions till they get dark brown in color. This should approximately take 8 to 10 minutes on medium-high heat. Take out the onions in a bowl and set that aside. Now let's make a masala paste that gives the gravy its royal texture and flavor. To a grinder jar, add in the soaked nuts, dried shredded coconut. Add around 80% of the fried onions. We'll use the rest of the onions later. Also add in half a cup of plain unsweetened yogurt. Grind all this together till it's silky smooth in texture, like that. Okay, let's put the curry together. I'm using the same pan where I fried onions. There should be around a tablespoon of oil left over. Set that on medium-low heat and add in cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, green cardamoms, bay leaves, and black peppercorns. Stir fry everything till it turns aromatic. This should take around 30 seconds or so. Now add in fresh ginger garlic paste and slit green chillies and stir fry for another 30 seconds. If you haven't already, do check out some of the other recipes on my channel and subscribe to my channel if you like them. I post recipes every week. Now add in the nut, yogurt, onion paste. Stir fry this paste until you feel like the paste is easily gliding on the pan and it starts to look oily. It's also going to turn slightly dark in color. This should take around 5 to 6 minutes. This is how it should look. At this point, we can add in the coriander powder and the red chili powder. Mix the masalas in with the paste and stir fry for another minute or so. Time to add in the boiled mutton along with the mutton stock. Mix everything really well. If you like the recipe so far, give me a thumbs up. Add salt to taste. Place the lid on and let the gravy cook for 5 to 6 minutes. You'll know that the gravy is nicely cooked when you can see oil floating on the surface like that. If you don't see it yet, let it cover and cook for a little longer. Ah, that looks so good! Not done yet. Add in the remaining fried onions, garam masala powder, give it a quick mix, and to pamper us even more, heavy cream. Mix everything really well. Now lower the heat and place the lid on for just around 1 to 2 minutes to let the cream melt a little. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and done! This gravy is so rich and so tasty. I can't wait to hear if you like it. You can enjoy this with either rice or roti or naan. Nothing wrong in indulging in rich food once in a while, right? That's all for today. If you are on any of these different social media sites, do follow me. And for written recipes, do visit my blog. All the links are in the description section. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified as soon as I post my next recipe. Alright then, bye-bye.